a horn honk. So push down real hard on that. Hear it? Push down real hard. Push down real hard. It's the only one that has a horn that works. You got it? Hold on.
All the time.
Like 9 to 8 straight days. It's more than they would be in their lifetime. So the horn's the first to go. And so after this show,